Have you ever dreamt of something you thought was impossible?
Hi, my name is Joshua Crisp. Less than 4 years ago, I was working a dead-end job that I hated for minimum wage, $7.25 an hour. It was third shift, and I hated my life. Fast forward to today, I'm an Amazon private label expert, and I'm responsible for building several multi-million-dollar brands. Needless to say, Amazon changed my life. But this isn't get-rich-quick scheme. I wasn't lucky. There was no supernatural event that occurred. What occurred was trial and error. My first 3 products failed consecutively. I was filled with doubt, emotion, and I almost quit. Needless to say, my 4th product is to this day my best product.